Here's another problem on normal stress. Here's the problem. The figure shows the landing gear of a light airplane. Determine the compressive stress in strat AB caused by the landing reaction R, which is equal to 40 kilonewtons. Neglect the weights of the members. That's the strat, this one, strat AB. The strat AB is a hollow tube with 50 millimeter outer diameter and 40 millimeter inner diameter. Uh, so, the body that we are going to consider is this one, this member. So, everything ikat na to, like AB as well as BC ikat, no? We cut a section passing through AB and BC. And for AB, compressive stress man. So, this will be compressed. Na-compress siya, no? And for BC, no need na because what we will do is we will sum up moment about C para we can solve for FAB because R is already given 40, you know. So by summing up moment at C, we can solve for FAB. No? And also, ang force sa BC will pass through C. So, zero na sad ang moment. Okay. So, summation of moment about C. The moment of FAB is counterclockwise, so that's positive, while for R, clockwise, so that's negative. Okay. Now, 40 is in kilonewtons. Therefore, the unit of FAB is kilonewtons also. So, transpose and then divided by 600. We have this one. Force in strat AB, 66.667 kilonewtons. So after this, we can now solve for the compressive stress. So from the formula, stress is equal to force over area. P is equal to this one. And sa area, if it's a hollow tube, then the cross-sectional area is area of the bigger circle minus area of the smaller circle. And the area of a circle in terms of diameter is pi over 4 d squared. So, pag i-subtract nimo ang bigger circle and the smaller circle, the cross-sectional area is pi over 4 quantity outer diameter squared minus inner diameter squared. We have this one. Force 66.667 kilonewtons, and this is the area. Pi over 4 outer diameter squared minus inner diameter squared. So, ang unit kay kilonewton over millimeter square man, let's convert kilonewtons to newtons. So, makancel ang kilonewton. Then, ang unit is newton per millimeter square or megapascal. Okay. So, this is the compressive stress in strat AB. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope that you have learned something from this video.